Hello, and welcome to my channel, Become a Vintage Expert. Here, I will reveal my 30 years of experiences, pro tips, plus some unexpected surprises along the way. Today, I will show you how to wire any globe like this into a swag lamp, as pictured here. Let's start by reviewing where we left off last week. We discovered the hidden mark on the glass globe. We realized how important it is to research and how AI helps in our process with accuracy, time, and increased profits. I also showed my actual sold listing for proof. To see the entire episode, go to the hidden mark to watch the video. I also asked you to come back and we would demonstrate how to change a globe into a swag lamp. Let's get started. For Project Swag Lamp, we will start with the Swag Lamp Kit. These can be purchased at most hardware stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. They always seem to be out of the colors I need, and the prices have gone from $20 to $24. If reselling, you have to keep these costs down, so I have found them for $20 on Amazon. A little hack, I try to always buy black or gold since these will add value and style nice. White is only used for all white, including the hardware. Remove all the items from the box. Next, I straighten out the cord, then proceed with threading or streaming the cord. Make sure you always start the wire end. I normally skip 2 or 3 links, but doing more than this will allow the cord to be too loose. Next, we will add the bottom hardware. We add a small decorative cover and the finial. You have to attach from the inside using a treaded rod long enough to hold the cover, finial, screw, and bolts.
You understand my intent?
Wiring to the socket. Next, you thread the wire through the hook, then place the treaded rod from the underside where it sticks out the top and thread the wire down the rod. Pull the wire out so you have enough room to work with. Comes apart and the screws where the wires attach. Here is a diagram to show you how it all fits together. Warning, always consult a professional to ensure it has been wired correctly. If not, it could be a fire hazard. That is it. Just add a light bulb and plug it in. The swag lamp kit I purchased had the on and off switch already attached to the cord. If yours doesn't, it can be purchased separately. It's easy to attach. Just do a Google search for how to. Part of becoming an expert and building your brand and reputation, you should set yourself apart by thinking outside the box, coming up with unique ideas and using them. For example, on this lamp, since it is clear, adding a colored bulb and the deeply cut glass acts almost like a prism. Changing the bulb colors changes the personality of the lamp without changing the vintage fixture itself. You can add this to your listings as add a green bulb for St. Patrick's Day, red for Valentine's or Christmas. You are giving your customers ideas that may seal the deal.